Hey everybody, this is Maxter1999. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a notepad in Visual Basic 2008 or 2010. I use 2010, but since they're such alike, it doesn't really matter. Okay, notice I've already had two fails. I keep messing up. Don't let it compress, stuff like that. Notepad. I'm not going to bother with a long name. I'm going to try to make this one a short one because I'm so tired of making tutorials today. This is my only one uploaded and stuff. Let's just make this a really quick one, guys, okay? You're going to want to put a menu strip and two dialogues, a open file and a save file dialogue. Also now put a text box, set it to multi-line, set it stock to fill. That pretty much does the basic GUI. Now let's get the file and the edit in their sub-menus. Clear, undo. Now redo didn't work my last tutorial. That might have been from an error, but that's up to you about the edit. The edit doesn't really matter. It's the file that matters. With this we'll be doing it with File Accoication. You'll be able to use Open with this application, and it'll actually work. Let's configure this right now. Let's get all of the GUI done. O for open, no file name. For the filter, I'm not sure if I still have it copied from the last tutorial. It's text files, wildcard.txt, and all files, wildcard.wildcard. If you just put in that'll be good. My computer, title, open. That does it for that one. Let's do the save file. Same thing there. You can change this to whatever you want. I just like it to be my computer. Now we're going to also be adding a feature that'll we're going to be adding lots of special features that you don't have in your average notepad. That takes for open and save dialogues. Now let's go associate if tool strips with them. S dot show dialog, and with form 1 o.show dialog does it for that. Okay, now they're associated. Let's get this done. Text box 1 dot clear, text box 1 dot undo, and this is one that didn't work. I'm not sure what it is. If it doesn't work, I really don't care. It's not redo, it's clear, undo. Yeah, that's what I did. I don't really care if it doesn't work. I rarely ever use it. And I'm not gonna post this up. It's fixed in my notepad. I don't know what it is. So, takes care of everything but our dialogues and our file association. Let's get the association done. Dim arg as, well, no, not as, equals command. Make sure it's a string. Arg as string. It's an argument, it's out of the program, it's not a parameter, so I call it an argument. If not arg equals, you do nothing or this, it doesn't matter. You could put in nothing. I'm just gonna put in 2 quotes. Same thing as nothing. Make your if new dim rearg as string equals arg dot replace. We want to remove quotes around it. 4 things for a single quote as a string, and 2 things as nothing. You can change the 2 quotes to nothing if you want. And it's basically just dim as new io dot stream reader and rearg. A checkbox1.text equals a dot read to end and a dot close. Now, this might come up with an error, but we're going to be doing a dim that'll make it so it can come up later. OPN equals rearg. Now it's going to come up with an error. Just go to the top and do dim rearg, but dim open as string equals nothing or 2 quotes, whatever you want. Okay, no errors now. It's basically just opening the save dialog and we're done. Open file, file, okay. Dim R as new not system IO dot stream reader. You can do system dot IO dot stream reader too. O dot file name. Textbox1.text equals r dot read to end. R dot close. Open equals O dot file name. That way it records it. That way it's not. Gets updated. Now it's just a save file dialog. That's it. Dim s as sorry, I just breathed on the mic. I've kind of got a bad mic. So IO dot stream writer s dot file name. Okay, I'm not sure that's an error. It's kind of sorry. We gotta rename that. It's gonna get us save file. You don't want to get an overflow of anything. You know, I bet the same thing will happen. Oh no, that's called R. So s.flush, clear the file. s.write, textbox1.text, and s.close. Now to make the open thing work, you gotta go to the save, and before it shows the dialog, you got to make sure it's before, not after, or else it'll set it after and they won't be able to choose it. sf.filename equals OPN. Now it'll be nothing if there's not anything down here, so you don't have to worry. It'll still stay clear. And the reason you can't do this in the regular properties is you can't set it to a variable in the code. So that's it. And debug, just do open with, and you can use it. I did that in the last few tutorials, but I really don't feel like doing it again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And have a good day, everybody. And I hope I don't have to make another one.